Introduction to networking. Network is a group of devices linked to one another. Different types of networks play an important role in our daily life. These are telephone networks, cable networks, television networks and radio networks. Transport network, that is network of railway lines, roads, etc. Video conferencing, network of banks. Networking. Creation of network is known as networking. Computer networking means connecting computers electronically to allow sharing of resources. Resources range from attached printers to files, disk space and secure information. Interconnected computers form the computer network. Standalone computer. Computer that can be used by its own without requiring a connection to a local area network, that is LAN, or wide area network, that is WAN, is known as standalone computer. Tip: a computer connected to a network is known as workstation or a node or a host. Advantages of networking. Networking can be used for numerous services, both for companies and for individuals. For individuals, network offers access to a variety of information and entertainment resources. Sharing resources. A network allows user to share resources with others on the network, such as printer, a modem, etc. Backups. In networking, data is stored on the server. Backing up critical data becomes a simple process. Sharing programs. Sometimes it is better to put programs that everyone uses on a shared disk rather than keep separate copies of the programs on each person's computer. Central computer behaves like a server that controls the network, holds network software and stores files. Cost reduction. Networking lets you share the resources, that is printers, scanners, hard drives, etc. It results in less time of hardware, equipment and reduces the cost. Efficiency. Efficiency requires little time to transfer data from one place to another place, hence increases the efficiency. Communication. The biggest benefit, however, comes in the form of communication, electronic mail, that is email, chatting and video conferencing and groupware applications. Types of network. Networks are often classified by their physical or organizational extent or their purpose, such as LAN, MAN or WAN. Local area network. A local area network, that is LAN, is a data communication network, typically a packet communication network limited to a building or a room, such as in an office building, a school or a home. A local area network generally provides high bandwidth communications and uses inexpensive transmission media like cable. It is useful for sharing resources like files, printers, game or other applications. Metropolitan area network. A metropolitan area network, that is MAN, is a network that interconnects users with computer resources in a geographic area or region larger than covered by local area network, that is LAN. MAN spans a city or a large campus up to 50 km. Cable television is an example of MAN. Wide area network. A wide area network, that is WAN, is a data communication network that covers a relatively broad geographic area and that often uses transmission facilities provided by common carriers. A WAN is different from a MAN because of the distance between each of the networks. The world's most popular WAN is the Internet. They can also be connected through leased lines or satellites. Network topology. Topology refers to the physical pattern or the way devices are connected to each other in a network, that is, the physical layout of the network's computers, terminals, and links. Types of topologies. Bus topology. Each computer and other peripherals devices are connected to a single cable to form a branching structure. Ring topology. Each computer is connected to two neighboring computers to form a closed circuit. Star topology. Each computer is linked directly to a central computer and indirectly to one another via that central computer. Each of these has advantages. Though the bus configuration has become the most common, each computer or device on the network is a node or workstation. It uses coaxial and twisted pair cables as transmission medium. Network security. Network security is concerned with making sure that unauthorized people cannot read or modify messages intended for other recipients. In the field of networking, the area of network security consists of the provisions and policies to prevent and monitor unauthorized access, misuse, modification of data in a computer network. Users are assigned an ID and password that allows them to access the information and programs within their authority. Network security covers a variety of computer networks, both public and private, that are used in everyday jobs, conducting transactions and communications among businesses, government agencies, and individuals.